Sorry guys, hey guys, it's Charlie Cook here. Today sorry guys. Today I'm reviewing this, which is a 12th Doctor's Sonic Screwdriver. I really like this design. It's gonna fit in my TARDIS. I'm building a TARDIS console. Yeah, you heard. It has 4 sound effects. It has these metal clamps which holds this in. I really like that. It's cool. A lot of YouTubers complained about this bit here, which my finger's on. These 4 things, because they say it's hard to hold. Because I got smaller hands, I find it nice and easy. So yeah, it has this. Let me just. Sorry guys. It has this. This button which activates the sound effects bit, and we have this bit, and I suppose they could have made this into a sonic core that charges it. I don't know. Come on, character options, give us something, I suppose. So these are the 4 sound effects. And the lights are very cool. It can go blue, green, blue, green. So suppose. What's this, guys? No legal garb. It's amazing. Oh, and to insert the batteries, all you do is this, and then you put them right on in there, okay? Unscrew it, and it takes 4 button cell batteries, I think. Yeah, so, and it's TARDIS blue, silver and gold. I really like the colour scheme. And then on the front, it's not so decorative. Obviously, it doesn't have this button. Wrong way. It has this little bolt, and it has little bolts everywhere, which I think is quite good on character options. So well done, character options. It has bolts here, bit of gold. Yes. So if you'd like me to do I think tomorrow I'll do a review on the Masters laser screwdriver, because that one is very detailed, and the same goes for the 10th Doctor's 11th. 3rd, I can do the mix and match. I can do Yeah, I think that's it. But thanks for watching, guys. I really enjoy making these videos. Bye bye.